Today's video, we are going to discuss how to export a CSV from Salesforce so you can upload to the Magellan Data platform. I've logged into Salesforce. I'm on my home screen. What I'm going to do is go to the menu up at the top and navigate over to Reports. We'll select Reports. On our report screen, we're going to go to the top and click New Report. See a variety of options over in the menu here. Go to Accounts and Contacts, and then we're going to select Accounts because we are interested in company data. Once Accounts is selected, hit Start Report to begin building the report. You'll see here that some filters are applied. You may have filters applied there. It's always a good idea to check out and see what is being filtered. So here we have it. Show me new accounts created after this date. This is what we want for our sample upload, but you may want to adjust the filters. There's plenty of great tutorials online to figure out how to change the filters around so you're exporting the data you want to export. But I'm going to go back over to the outline here just so we can make sure that we're getting the right data for the export. So Magellan Data needs an account ID, account name, and a website. So we see the name here, but we are missing ID and website. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in account ID and also the website field. You may have it in your system labeled as something else, maybe domain or company domain. Website is the default field that Salesforce uses for company websites. So what we're going to do now is drag and drop so we have things in the right order. So I'm going to bring account ID all the way up to the top, and then we're going to get website after name. One thing, sometimes this can be a little bit finicky, the drag and drop, so just move a little bit more slowly if it's jumping around on you. So we'll go and refresh the view to make sure that it's looking good. We have ID, name, website, and then we have a bunch of other columns here. You can take these away or you can keep them in. It doesn't really matter. So say I don't want state or province and type. I'll refresh and this looks great. This is what I want to have. So now I'm ready to go. And I can choose to rename the report up here, which I think I will. I'll edit the name to be Magellan Data Sample Upload. That's saved in there. And we can choose Save and Run or just Run. So if I select Save and Run, what that's going to do is it's going to save the filters and the format for future exports. If I just hit Run, it's just going to keep it at one time. So I'm just going to select Run just to make it easy today. And I see my preview screen. Always a great idea to double check, make sure things are in the right order and that you have all the data that you want to see. So we are going to be ready to export. So where you see Edit over in the far right, we're going to click the little drop down arrow and hit Export. You may see multiple options for export view here, where details only is the only one I'm seeing, but you may see something like formatted only. Make sure that details only is selected. And then for the format, very, very important, do not do it in Excel XLS format. It needs to be in CSV. So we're going to select comma delimited CSV. The encoding is ISO. That's perfect. If for whatever reason your encoding is different, make sure that you're choosing ISO. Unicode UTF-8 would be fine as well, but ISO is what we prefer. So now we are ready to export. So I'm going to click the export button. And you see it's been downloaded. It will be in my downloads folder, ready for me to upload to the Magellan Data platform.